Hi, it's been a while. Actually, it's been a year since I last picked up my camera and vlogged. And honestly, so much has happened in that time. So I thought before I start sharing my life again, maybe I should reintroduce myself. Hi, I'm Nondumiso Kunene. And if you've been here since the beginning, thank you for still being here. And if you are new, welcome. The last time I was consistently creating, I was a very different version of myself. A lot has changed since then. But one thing I'm really proud of is that somewhere along the way, I kept going. I graduated from the University of Pretoria.
Nondumiso Kunene.
And that moment meant so much to me because I know how much it took to get there. But graduation wasn't the end of the journey. It was just the beginning of another chapter. And right now, I'm in a new season of my life. So this is me reintroducing myself.
And you let me be a woman.
Girls, I really missed you. I really missed you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Well, spend the day with me. A take that unboxing. So I have like 2 packages. So let's start with, I don't know, I'm very excited about this one. So let's start with this one. So I bought this body wash, the Good Stuff one. I don't know how it smells though, but it had like good reviews, so yeah. Okay, it smells nice. It smells nice. So yeah, it smells really nice. So I just can't wait to use it. And then I got the famous Nivea body lotion. So yeah, it will be my first time using this, so hopefully it treats me very well. So, and then this one I am very excited of. Anyways, I'm rushing to Rosebank, so if you feel like I'm being too fast, please know that I'm rushing to Rosebank. Yeah. Hopefully it's exactly how it looked on the app. So yeah. Okay. Okay, I can work with this though. I don't know. Okay, so it's this mini Kelly dupe. So yeah, it is white with gold hardware. Yeah, but it looks off-white. It doesn't look white, it looks off-white, because this is white, so this is off-white. So yeah, I like it though. I like it. Yeah, whatever. Yeah guys, if you know me, you know that I'm obsessed with bags, shoes, perfumes, clothes. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl. So yeah guys, I'm thinking of wearing it today. I don't know though, guys. It seems like it's not even closing. Okay, let me. Okay, so this is how it looks. Yeah, exactly, this is how it's supposed to be. This is exactly how it looks. Yes, you see now, I like it very much. So yeah, this is my mini Kelly dupe. Hi guys, I just came back from Bram. I went to this bookshop called The Commune. It's a Pan-African like bookshop. So yeah, I just wanted to buy this other book. Unfortunately, they don't have it, but like their website, it says in stock, but at the store it's not there. Okay, fine. Yeah, they just don't have like a lot of books, honestly. And I don't know if it's the owner or the manager there, he told me that they're struggling to order books, so it's just books that I am not interested in, honestly. Not that their titles or topics are not of importance. They are important, but like I don't want to like delve into them, because it's more like free Palestine and all of that, Gaza and all of that. So I'm just not there yet. I am aware of the issue, but yeah, I am aware of the issue, but like, yeah. So yeah, the shop doesn't have like Chinua Achebe, the Titi Dangaregba, the Chimamanda Ngozi. So like, if a bookshop doesn't have that, especially if it's a Pan-African like bookshop, and also like they say like they are a feminist bookshop and all of that, but there's no Chimamanda Ngozi, there's no bell hooks. So yeah, they just don't have vast books. So yeah, it's pretty clear that I'm not going to get the book, because it's only there, and Takealot doesn't have it, Amazon doesn't have it. So yeah, I think I just have to give it up, because there's really nothing I can do at this point. Yeah, I'm disappointed, but yeah, we move. Yeah, guys, I'll see you